Hey, welcome back to my channel, pretty ladies. We're here. We're gonna see about this Tatcha. The hype has been really good on it. So if you want to know how I did this look and use this Tatcha primer, stay tuned. Okay, pretty ladies and gentlemen, as I said, we're gonna be trying out, drum roll please, the Tatcha primer. Okay. The hype has been amazing about this product, and I just wanted to go and get this and get her done. You know, let's see. Let me give you my thoughts and take some pictures and things like that and see how it is. Go from there. The box so cute. Got this little tab on it. At least you get paying for something. Comes out here like this. It also has your instructions and I'm pretty sure ingredients. Ooh, look. Nobody had my stuff. This is really cute. Ooh. And here's a little scoop thing. Just scoop the product out with. It's really sealed. Like, really sealed. Don't mind my nail, I'm doing my nails. This is so pretty. It retails for $52 plus tax, of course. Everything has tax. I got it at your local Sephora. It's just really nice that I get to try this product out. Okay, so let's get right into it. I'm going with the Dove Beauty Cream to moisturize my face. I've been using this for years, so I haven't changed that. I haven't found anything else besides Clinique, and that one's kind of pricey. Make sure your lips are moisturized too.
Don't mind my nails. Let me know in the description if you want me to do a video on how to do it. Full acrylic with design, things like that. Okay. This is what I do on a regular basis. I just go out just like this.
Now it says that it blurs, primes, protects, color correct, and anti-aging. Okay, that's in Spanish. It says the silk canvas. Hey, pretty silky. That's me. They made this for me, baby. It says filter finish primer base effect filter. Let's find out. And it says to take a pea size because they said this stuff is made from rice. So I'm gonna take about that much to see what happens.
Ooh, a pea size worked for me. Not a rice size, but a pea size worked for me.
It's like it has a smell, but then it doesn't. And it also says that you want to pat it into the skin. It's supposed to give you long-lasting makeup, better coverage, pick up the product a little better. We're about to find out, honey. This is my problem area right here, right here. It's a little white, but like a purplish lavender color, almost like the box. Fenty Foundation in the shade, can't see, in the shade 445.
Spray my face.
Foundation brush is going to be the Morphe M439. I always use this, as you know.
Get that first.
One more pop.
Smiley face.
Definitely closed a few pores up, for sure. All right, and to highlight, we're gonna go on with the Fenty Beauty in the shade 385.
Want to contour under your eyes? Or I could bring mine up, like around here, like this. And down the bridge of our nose. Slightly on my forehead. And right here.
I'm gonna go on with my Morphe E45 brush. And go ahead and blend all this out. Now, I'm just gonna go on my Morphe. I'm gonna go in with my Real Techniques. I'm gonna go in with my Real Techniques beauty blender, and I'm just gonna push it into the skin.
Real nice and slow.
I'm gonna go ahead and go in and bronze a little bit with the Fenty Beauty and Mocha Mami, Morphe R2. Now we're gonna go ahead and go in with our Fit Me press powder. This one is the matte plus poreless powder. And I'm gonna go in with my fluffy brush. This is the E41 brush. I'm just gonna place that everywhere. This is a quick get ready video. I want to set all that before I move on to the next step. Okay. Okay, ladies, I'm back. I left off camera to do these brows. Now we're gonna go in with a little bit of Sasha Buttercup just to set these areas. Okay, press that powder in. This one is good to press in.
I'm gonna set that concealer on my lids also, so that doesn't move. Closest to brow to you as you can when you're doing a natural look.
A little bit of mascara.
In the refrigerator. All right.
Now we're gonna highlight. I'm gonna go in with my BH Cosmetics. It's a little dirty. I'm gonna go in with my BH Cosmetics. And it has a trio here actually. This is your highlighting and contouring palettes, and this is your eyeshadows. So I think I'm gonna go in with this shade here.
Cupid's bow. And then here and here.
I'm gonna take my Morphe M48 brush. Looks like this.
I'm gonna go in with the lighter highlight palette in between both of them. I'm gonna go right in my tear duct. Just to make it pop. also gonna put some brown bone right up in here. Like so.
All right, and for shadow, I'm just gonna go in with the Morphe M405 brush. It's a little fluffy on the end. And I'm just gonna go with a standard color here. I don't wanna go too light, too dark. I think I'm gonna go with this one right here. I'll go with this one right here. And I'm just gonna blend it all over. Going with a lighter shade, same brush, just clean it off. I'm going with that lighter shade.
Put that right in the middle. Now that we're done with that.
Okay, I'll be right back. I'm gonna go put a lip on, and then I'm gonna give you my final thoughts on this TATCHA, silk canvas. Okay, I'm back. I put a lip on. Goes really good with this natural lip. No lashes on this. We're worried about the TATCHA silk canvas primer, and hold that pretty good, you guys. All right, pretty ladies and gentlemen, till next time, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and share my video if you can. Go out and buy that TATCHA primer. It works really, really good. It closed up pores around I always have an issue around here, and it closed those pores up really good, and around my nose. So it did a good job for me. It held the foundation really good. It only took 2 pumps. Usually take 3 or 4 pumps sometimes for my big old face. But yeah, go ahead and get that. $52 retail, you know, put that into your collection. And also, if you want me to do any kind of look or anything, or try out anything, go ahead and put it in the comment section below, and everything will be great. All right, don't forget to hit these videos you see around here. Check those out. Have a pretty, pretty day.